Seema Kausal, let me draw you in here, social activist. Seema, what do you make of this, horrific story that seems to be, emerging from this town in Karnataka through this testimony?
It's really sad that we are sitting here and discussing just we are so helpless till now. But it is not a today's case. This Saujanya only the made the sound everywhere. But before that, 49 years old, one more child who is kidnapped from the school and murdered. That is the first case. Created the huge sound in Karnataka about this particular Dharmasthala place. That also one nobody take the police did not file the FIR. Nobody, no press media, print media, no media came into the light at that time. Nobody supported them. The students of that college, that 17 years old child, students and her classmates, they make that effort that police should has to take the file the FIR, and at that time that made a very big huge sound. At that time, I think Ramakrishna Hegde was the chief minister. At that time also, government did not do anything. If at all, at that time, Ramakrishna Hegde Sirji was the chief minister. If he could have taken the initiative, we have not going to see so many dead bodies till now. That incident was occurred 49 years ago. 49 years ago. Since 49 years till now, how many cases? How many? Now only 300 to 400 parents are coming up, but how many parents are not supposed to know that their child are buried there? Why now police has now the person who buried the bodies, he came himself and he is telling, I'm ready to show the spot. Instead of police taking him to the spots and dig the bodies, they are asking him to point out in the map. Why it is doing this? Just to inform them to that Dharmasthala people to take out the bodies, remove the bodies and place it somewhere else. For that purpose they are doing it. Why they wanted to give the justice to these women or these childs, or they wanted to support to that the Dharmasthala people? What it is going on? So now Siddaramaiah sir told that he is going to form the SIT, but we request him, we urge him to as soon before he going to form the SIT. Now the court has ordered to dig out the bodies. We request the police,
Yes.
not at least now. This is now these people tomorrow their own child they are going to suffer it. So I request
Okay.
not
Okay.
to